Well, I got off a little bit off trail here to a dead end right along this rock face. It's kind of easy to misplace steps, but I realized I should be going up underneath those arches there and these pinnacles. So I'm heading back that way on this level side if I can. The Anasazi playground, when they were in their kingdom of over 1,000 years ago, in the Four Corners, southern Utah, southwestern Colorado, northern Arizona, northern New Mexico. It was almost probably as big as the Incan Empire at one time. But they were cliff dwellers, and they had hunter-gatherers, and they also farmed. But maybe neighboring tribes, after warring with them, they had to take cover. It's hard to say exactly what happened. Historians are not quite sure either. But they had a pretty developed culture to be able to dig out cliff sides, steps all the way up to the rocks, and live 1,000, 2,000 feet above the valley floor. They're amazing people. Let me see if I can get back to that trail here. I missed out. You have to go back down this step here. Yeah, I can't get up that way, so I have to go down to go up. Down to go up. Ouch! Ay. Misstep there. You gotta really watch your step down here. Twist an ankle. Yeah, I see where some people are coming out. Yeah, I made a Y on the left one. I should have gone straight or right. So we go up this way to get that to those rocks?
What's that?
Do I go up this way to get to those rocks? I made a wrong turn.
Get up to kind of here, it kind of splits apart. So, I mean, right over there, you can climb up right there.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if there was a pathway because I kind of lost.
It kind of splits apart, so there's not a real breakaway.
Yeah, I kept going left, and it got me to a kind of a dead end. So I'm gonna make my way up that way. I think along here. I've got good hiking shoes on. Cut a diagonal through here. It's the way to go. Rock face, nothing but rock face. Breath time.